Hello guys, it's time once again for another unboxing video. Got a few things this time. First, we'll start with some camping gear that I got last week. Well, I decided to get a winter tarp and a few things I need. Well, this is going to get here a lot sooner than the tarp, so anyway, let's see what we got. First, 100 feet of reflective guy line, so I can hang the tarp, and a mesh sleeve to make it easier to store, put up, and take down. It's basically the same as the one I got on my current tarp. Well, that's it for now. Okay, time for the regular knife business order. Alright, let's see what we got. First up, a bunch of more 511s. Sold out completely last show. Basically, I got 2 of every color. Except these, which I accidentally ordered 4 of, but they'll sell. I forget what this is. It's made in Sheffield, England. It's the British Army knife. My first open-o. A bag of P38s. Some knives for the $5 box. This is a Snow and Neely hatchet. This is the base for the KME sharpening system. I bought one a while back and I forgot to get the base. Condor Huron. The mini bush lure. Some more knives for the $5 box. These are the same little boot knives I got last time. Bunch of those cheap Chinese hobo knives. More knives for the $5 box. And more knives for the $5 box. And more knives for the $5 box. And some cheap assisted openers. Another cheap assisted opener. And another cheap assisted opener. And a cheap assisted opener. Another rake. More Eldris with the kit. And butterfly knife. And lastly, another butterfly knife. Well, that's it for this week. See you next time. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon or you can join us on our Discord server. Links will be in the description below.